Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Sign into your Google account and enable Gemini features. Once done, open a supported browser and allow camera and storage permissions so Gemini can read and write images. Make sure your photo is high quality, 1080p or better, and shot in even light. This improves AI results. Now upload or capture the image, name the project, and select the photo editing or generative photo mode to begin the first processing. You now refine the image by choosing a mode: enhance for quality, edit for specific fixes, or generate to add new elements from a prompt. Then use the sliders for exposure, color temperature, and detail. Preview changes in real time so you can compare. For targeted work, switch to brush or mask tools and paint the area you want changed, or enter a concise text prompt to let Gemini suggest edits. Keep iterating until the visual balance matches your intent. You finish by exporting the final image in your chosen format and resolution, while keeping the original file as a backup. Once exported, review version history to compare steps or revert if needed. If you plan multiple versions, save incremental exports to avoid losing progress. If you notice artifacts or unrealistic results, lower aggressive enhancement settings or reapply selective masks and reprocess that area. This usually fixes overcorrection problems without
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.